spontaneous, right? So I just want to take this moment to clear to tell everyone that I just don't get Battles Guy just for fun. A while ago, I took against some lines, and then I'm like, shit, let's just try to do it like
Right, paisun mo. Naka-green, paisun mo sila. Oo, kasi.
He's probably the Mr. Megatron.
Yan din.
Lahat sila.
I saw you, I came up prepared, but then again, this guy, he looks pretty scared. I'm gonna lose, it's just for fun, I really don't care, but I look better than him, and I have a bit more players. Alright, so this guy's thinking, yo, this guy's pretty sick, that's because he can't control a battle even if he had a joystick. Yo, I can keep going on, there's no off button to click because you're just a stain, I think out with my lyrical toothpick.
Nakakasaway
mo kabalat mo na puro lamang two-liner. Hindi ka bagay na ipapagay sa'yo mo mag-liner ka mo ng eyeliner. Kasi nakakasila ko mabalat mo sa maraming figure. Pag nakikita kita, nakaalala ko yung mga backup dancer ni Michael Jackson. Nakwento mo mga Muskepi. Balita ko may business. Sakto ang sa business. So business, go. Bagay sa'yo, ikaw ang papalitin ito sa on your morning talk show. Papalitan itong Simply Casey to Simply Jesse. Background music yung mga hit songs si Paula de Alda. Unang topic ng mga unang kanasan ni Lola Wanda. Huling-huli ka sa camera kung ikaw ay nasa dressing room kasama mo ang co-host mo na si Boy Buda Magkapatong. At ay kusura ni Bulga. Sa talento mo yan, hindi ka pwede sa top king of the lahat at lalo na sa grind time. Kasi sa level ng talento mo, bagay ka lang magpasaya sa mga madang people ng showtime. I can tell this guy in the last round he was trying to clown me. But I've got a badge from you, you're a better clown than an MC. By the way, my name's Reflex. I hope you guys know who I be. But especially this guy, he's a fan and he just came here to see me. You're gonna see some Reflex DVDs. And he gets a massage every week. It's for the feet, it's called reflexology. Yo, my rhymes don't fail, your rhymes are pretty frail. I rock hard and you're awkward and you probably got rejected auditioning for Stomp the Yard. Check my name, Reflex. Champion is what it brings. I saw him come and it looks like a gay-ass spice swing. Alright. Yo, they call you Fresh Murder, but I have a new name for you. After I smoke you, I'm gonna call you Fresh Barbecue. Yo, mama so fat. Her mama so fat. Her picture's heavy. Every time she watches a movie, she takes you with her. She not steady. I can tell from this far from your lines, you're not ready. Because he's busy spending all of his time at home. Hugging instead. So bro, this is your friend about, so don't take this seriously. Yo, how come you represent Pinoy people internationally and yet can't speak Tagalog fluently? Because if I ask you if you're a real Filipino, nah, because you're not that pure. One, two, three, go.
Alright, I like your last line. I've been analyzing this game. He's probably hating on me because he doesn't have my English accent. Gusto mo ganyan ka mag Filipino ako. So ikaw din trato mo kanina. Nalagay, pwede, hindi dito. Nakita ko siya lang, he's doing that horseback riding. Ikaw yung kabayo! I'm going back to English because that's just how I speak. I'm going to just try to get it from the top. So, I was analyzing this guy's rhyme and I can say his English is pretty weak. It's kind of gay. I think he's been watching too much Dawson's Creek. That's fine. Alright, last one, Alright, so, I guess the title was Francis MC Battle versus Reflex, but I think it's more Reflex versus the game DMX. DMX, and you're not even Jay-Z, and I can do this for sunrise and sundown. Please, I bet you do not run this town.
What?
Oh, I kind of forgot what I was going to say. Don't worry.
Ito nga pala ang kalaban. Ano ang pangalan? Reflex, Gutango? Ay, hindi. Jesse Castillo. Look alike daw ni Kuya Maya. Lalong hindi. Alam ko na ikaw si Mr. Samuel King. Palakpakan mo natin, Mr. Jong Mejia. Yo. Kasi ikaw, kung sinabi mo sa akin, wala kang kwenta. Alam ko talent mo dito, pagdating mo dito, alam ko binigyan kita ng kwenta. Hindi na ako may para sa wala kang kwenta. Ito ang tropa mo, pare. Alam ko dati mo kang kasama. Yo, ituloy-tuloy ko lang ito parang old school. Tawa na ako sa kakalitan. Para sa mga tropa natin ngayon, hindi na mag-bitin. Pangalan mo ay Reflex. Wala ang kwenta. Dalawang kahoy. Pinaglaban niyo si Reflex. Siya ay plywood. Ako naman ay particle.
Yo, judging by the last line, I was smashing him like King Kong. I think that'd be famous. He looks like King Kong. Alright. Yo, but it's all good. I know you're famous, but just not for MC. Didn't you win the battle in Singapore? Wait, no, what? That was me. I don't mean to be mean. I got love for a club scene, but between you and me, I was the one who was the scene. But yo, just to clear the record, this guy is one of the coolest guys I've met. Yo, if he enters a battle, he has my bet.
Saka 16, bumatay siya sa Singapore. Sa kanyang hotel, may kasama siya lalaki.